Glad you're
it's
here
followed
on
by recipes.
on this chair में बाकियों का अपना देखते रहना मेरा तो काम बन रहा है यहाँ पे but because I really want to understand how a good meal how a day should start with a good meal
Right.
if I go to the gym in the morning a lot of people do it in the evening
Hmm.
do you recommend breakfast before going to the gym?
No, you should have a gap of at least 1.5, 2 hours after a meal if you're working out.
Mhm.
And if you work out and come back, you can immediately eat your meal to replenish.
Take it.
Yeah.
And then that comes for the lunch period. And you've moved on to become a vegan, which I want to really want to
Yeah.
talk about this thing about how veganism is on such a high in India. Like my friend Bikram was just mentioning, that is it a necessity or is it a moral understanding of becoming a vegan?
Veganism is like cricket. You may love it, you may ignore it, you may hate it, but it's here to stay.
Well said there.
It's here to stay
How's that? Well said.
because the kind of practices that are going on in the dairy industry today are lethal for the animals, for the humans. There's nothing ethical, there's nothing human about those. The demand is too high for dairy. Every meal requires dairy in some form or the other, or it could be the non-veg, like your meat products in some form or the other. And then the supply has to be tampered because there is no way. इतना दूध, इतना वे प्रोटीन, इतना पनीर बनाने के लिए नहीं मिल सकता आपको. That's why there's something called as animal agriculture that's happening, which is causing a lot of climatic changes and global warming and water shortages and all of that, because it requires a lot of land and resources to breed those animals to become food for us.
True.
And then these things, then when we consume, they affect us at many levels: physical, emotional, spiritual level. आपने फर्स्ट कहा था स्टार्टिंग में, वी आर व्हाट वी ईट. हम जो खाते वो हम बनते हैं. तो आजकल लोग जानवरों जैसे क्यों बन रहे हैं?
Wow.
Why is there so much hate and war going on in the world? We are only eating that energy. We are eating animal energy, which is also fear. क्योंकि जब वो मर रहे हैं वो खुश तो नहीं होने वाले हैं. They're not going to be happy and saying, "Oh, मैं मर रहा हूँ, मैं बलि दे रहा हूँ अपनी आपके लिए." They are dying. They are being brutally killed. And they're not just being killed at the time of being killed. They are being slowly poisoned. They are in cages. They are being treated so badly. They are being tortured. They are, the environment in which they are being bred is so unhygienic. वो अपने ही, urine and potty में वो बैठे रहते हैं, and then, there are all flies around them. They are injected. So I was a hardcore non-vegetarian. And one fine day, just this thought came to me from somewhere कि मैं मरा हुआ एनर्जी अपने प्लेट पे क्यों खा रही हूँ. डू आई नीड डेड एनर्जी इन माई बॉडी? एंड आई वॉज क्वेश्चनिंग माई सेल्फ कि तुझे ये थॉट कहाँ से आ रहा है? Why? Who? Why you? Why is this thought coming to you? And then one day I said, done. I'm not going to eat non-veg. I wasn't sure. I thought I'll flip. But I said, let me test myself. 2 months into it, I didn't eat non-veg even when it was in front of me. And I said, this is it. I'm not going to touch non-veg from today. And from that day, my life turned around. I didn't know I was going to propagate veganism this way. And it's not that I make everybody a vegan who comes to me. This is the biggest myth people have about me. I will honor your choices, but it's my job to educate you.
Of course.
And if you have inflammation in the body and you feel मुझे chicken ही खाना है, I have to call a spade a spade. And I will tell you that, boss, if you want to get okay and if you want to be on the chicken diet, then I'm not the right person to come to. Because I know what the chicken is doing to you. So let's ration it. Let's reduce it. Let's come down to a level where you're feeling satisfied and I'm doing my job and I'm helping you to get to your goals. And that's how we take it ahead. But it's important for people to understand that इतना inflammation जो भी body में हो रहा है, इतने hormonal problems जो हो रहे हैं, especially with PCOS, like you rightly said, PCOS and testosterone being low and all, our hormones are this delicate balance. It's like an orchestra, तो जब एक भी नोट और ट्यून ऊपर नीचे जाएगा, एक भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऊपर नीचे जाएगा, it will sound chaotic. This is what happens with our hormones in our body. Our hormones have this delicate balance. अब आप बाहर से इतना हार्मोन अपनी बॉडी में लाओगे, पहले ही आपके स्ट्रेस की वजह से हार्मोन्स की तो बैंड बजी हुई है. because cortisol is constantly high. So the other things, progesterone and all, is not being able to produce, is being produced at the level that it should be. Plus अब फिर animal का hormone डालोगे body में, and then you'll say, why do I have PCOS? Why do I have diabetes? Why do I have obesity? Because all of this is causing stress in your body, and it's actually ruining the delicate balance of your hormones. And that's the reason why most people, when they leave dairy, especially dairy, because dairy industry में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. I'm not saying meat industry में नहीं है, सब में है. Dairy is to another level. फेक पनीर आ गया है मार्केट में.
अरे बताओ.
बिकॉज क्योंकि वेजिटेरियन पनीर, प्रोटीन के नाम पे पनीर खा रहे हैं रोज. कहाँ से आएगा इतना दूध आपको पनीर? वे इज ऑल इट. यू नो हाउ वे इज मेड, राइट? आई एक्सप्लेन.
मेरा दिल तोड़ दो. बता दो जितना वे प्रोटीन में खाते आया हूँ इतने महीनों से बॉडी बनाने के चक्कर में.
यू नो हाउ वे इज मेड?
बतला दो.
वो वे आपका कैसे बनता है? नॉर्मल वे, वो दूध आपको फाड़ना पड़ता है, पनीर बनता है, जो पानी बचता है उसको वे कहते हैं.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वो पनीर का जो वो पार्ट होता है वो तो केसीन होता है.
यस एग्जैक्टली.
सो दिस इज द वे, द वाटर.
हाँ.
अब वो वाटर डिहाइड्रेट होके पाउडर बनता है. आप घर पे पनीर बनाओगे तो आपको कितना पानी मिलेगा और उसको कितना डिहाइड्रेट करके कितना पाउडर मिलेगा, मुझे वो बताना.
सही बात. It'll just be...
So this is something to think about.
एक सवाल मुझे बस ये बताओ पंडित जी, मेरे को एक बात बताओ. ये जो रात के खाने की जो योग लगा है मेरे ऊपर, इसका क्या किया जाए? लोग कहते हैं कि भाई, एंड विच इज ट्रू ऑल्सो. आई हैव नोटिस दिस थिंग. जब मेरे फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट दैट आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर 4 months, my last meal was at around 7:30, and I was in bed early. I woke up hungry for breakfast and stuff like that. My life changed, my physicality changed. But हम सब वो रात के late night dinners वाले लोग बन गए हैं. क्या ये सही में रामबाण है towards having a healthier life of not eating after a certain time? No?
See, I'll tell you what happens is, again, science. Our body is not meant to digest continuously. And this is what we are putting our digestive system through. And then we say, why so many gut issues? Our body is meant to have digestive rest. हम सोते हैं, हमारे digestive system को भी rest की ज़रूरत है ना. बाबा क्यों हम उसको नहीं दे रहे वो rest? अब जब आप खाना मुंह में डालते हो रात को, एक तो सन नहीं है, metabolic fire तो चला ही गया, अग्नि नहीं है. As per the circadian rhythm, body का काम ही नहीं है वो करना रात को. जब वो स्टोन एज मैन खाना हंट करता था, वो खाना खाता था, एक पॉइंट के बाद वो नहीं खाता था क्योंकि एक तो उसको बचाना होता था, देयर वाज लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. एंड देन जैसे सनसेट होता था वो प्रिपेयर करता था कि कैसे आग जलाऊं, सोए, मेरी फैमिली ठीक से सोए ताकि कोई जानवर आके मेरी फैमिली को खाना जाए, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट प्रोटेक्शन एंड प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द फैमिली, एंड इन जनरल हैविंग अ सर्टेन routine, though they didn't have a clock, but they went by the sun and moon, which is what our body is evolved from. The evolution tells that we are supposed to live like that.
And on that note, I think that's been a fabulous session with you, Doc. It's
I'm not a doc.
Do they call you Doc? I'm gonna
No.
call you. I'm gonna call
I'm not
you
a doc.
the Baba who's come from another land. No, not
The
at all.
baby, right? How do I become a Baba?
Okay, no, but this has been absolutely remarkable. जाने से पहले वो मैं आपको बताया था कि
गिफ्ट लायो मेरे लिए.
खाते पीते आप हो नहीं.
Oh my God!
लोग एक सेकंड, लोग इसके माइक के सामने, वो जो फिल्मों में देखते थे ना, हम फिल्मों में देखते थे जैसे कोई भूत आता था किसी अंदर, उसको इस तरीके से क्राइस्ट दिखा के, आई कंपेल यू, जस्ट इमेजिन इस अनहेल्दी फूड को दिखा के नेहा की क्या कंडीशन हो रही होगी. शी इज लुकिंग
मैं खाती हूँ ये, ऐसा नहीं मैं नहीं खाती हूँ.
क्या मैं यू ऐसे करूंगा तो आप करते हुए चले जाओगे.
Moderation is the key to a successful health and body.
अच्छा, फ्रॉम एन एक्सपर्ट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या दिख रहा है आपको इसके अंदर? Do you look at nice?
मुझे पहले तो टेस्ट दिख रहा है ना, क्योंकि वही दिखता है हमेशा.
और टेस्ट के लिए ही खाया जाता है
Obviously.
But नेहा, इस पर, and you're a Mumbaikar, you
Yeah.
know that this vada pav is breakfast, lunch, dinner for
For a
most
lot
of
of
the people.
people.
But what is it? What is it giving me from a nutritional value if you look at
Carbs
it? Pure carbs, that's
and
it.
bad fats. अगर गंदे तेल में तला हुआ है तो.
So no fiber, protein, nothing. What is it going to help me with? Nothing. Just to carry on, or just
To get to the doctor faster in life.
That's about
Or
it.
the hospital, yeah.
That's it. At least she didn't get up from the chair and run away saying, you
क्यों
evil
भूत
people.
थोड़ी दिखा दिया. कभी कभी तो हम भी खाते हैं, but भूत थोड़ी है ये.
So no vada pav or samosa
नहीं, कभी कभी
हाँ ठीक है, मैं उनको इंटाइस नहीं कर पाया इस चीज़ से लेके, बट एटलीस्ट मुझे ये पता चल गया कि इसको खा के एटलीस्ट इट्स नॉट हेल्पिंग माय हेल्थ कंप्लीटली, मे बी माय टेस्ट बड्स,
दैट्स इट।
दैट्स अबाउट इट। लोग कुछ स्वाद के लिए जीते हैं और कुछ अच्छा जीने के लिए जीते हैं।
Yes.
इट्स अ चॉइस दैट वन नीड्स टू मेक, बट थैंक यू सो मच नेहा फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस,
Thank you, Mantra.
you've actually debunked a lot of myths, a lot of questions जो मैं जानना चाहता था उसके मुझे जवाब यहाँ पर मिल गए, and I'm sure that a lot of viewers of ours would also enjoy listening to this thing. So thank you very much for being with us on this.
Thank you, Mantra. It was a pleasure, and I hope I did whatever I did in your style, and that resonated with you.
Absolutely. हम लोगों ने
I tried to catch up with your style.
No, this is it, and we're gonna, and I hope I can catch up with her knowledge onto this thing, which is a lot. Wish you all the very best, Neha.
Thank
and,
you.
Yeah.
Thank
cool.
you for
very
having
much.
me.